Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I make some fall off the bone baby back ribs in the oven without the use of a barbecue grill. If you're new to my channel, welcome. It's great to have you here. And for my returning subscribers, welcome back. To see how I make my baby back ribs in the oven, keep on watching. So here I have some baby back ribs, some barbecue sauce, and you can use any barbecue sauce you like, olive oil, and my barbecue seasoning mix. I will leave a list of all the ingredients down below in the description bar. Now to prepare the ribs, I'm going to start by removing the membrane. That is the skin on the back side of the ribs. To do so, use a dinner or a butter knife and gently slide under the skin to lift it. Next, use a piece of paper towel to grab the lifted area and pull across to remove. Once that is done, I'm going to wash the ribs under running water, then thoroughly dry with some paper towel. I'm going to go ahead and drizzle some olive oil all over the meat. This allows the seasoning to stick nicely. It also enhances the flavor. Next, I'm going to sprinkle the dry rub all over the meat and season generously on all sides. Once that is done, seal tightly in foil or alternatively in a baking tray covered tightly with foil paper. Allow that to marinate for 30 minutes or longer if time permits. While the meat is marinating, preheat your oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Now that the oven is preheated and the ribs are tightly covered in foil, I'm going to place it in the oven and allow that to bake for 2.5 hours. After 2.5 hours, remove the meat from the oven and carefully remove the foil. Lather with your favorite barbecue sauce. Now to finish cooking the ribs, I'm going to set the oven to broil and return the ribs uncovered to the middle oven rack. Broil for 4 to 5 minutes. Make sure to keep watching to prevent the ribs from burning. Once that is done, turn the oven off, remove the ribs, carefully place them on a carving board, slice and enjoy. can serve your ribs with mashed potatoes, rice and beans, French fries, a salad, or on its own. If you enjoy this video, go ahead and leave it a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet subscribed, please consider subscribing and ring the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I have a new upload. Until next time, thanks for watching. Bye guys.